I got to ask this question. Is LinkedIn as useful in a business to consumer environment as it is in a business to business environment? I thought, you know what? Let me talk about this for a little bit because I might be able to share with you some ideas that you can consider. Yes, LinkedIn is an important business tool in the business and business B2B marketing space or B2B sales space or networking space, et cetera, et cetera. But a business to consumer or B2C environment, it can be very useful as well. And here may be some ideas that can help you determine if LinkedIn could be useful in your B2C environment. Real estate, auto sales, high ticket items, rental property, investments, insurance. All of those areas are areas where I would absolutely be serious about using LinkedIn in a business to consumer space, because that consumer is someone who either has the cash, has the disposable income, and or has the need for these products. And those consumers could also be LinkedIn members, and it would be a great place in that business to consumer environment for you to be on LinkedIn, to be discovered by them and to be discovered by their influencers. Again, those individuals in those B2C spaces are also very likely to be LinkedIn members. Now, get past the big ticket items and get down to maybe other business consumer areas. Maybe it's a candy store or an ice cream store. Maybe it's a barber, even though I have seen some barbers on LinkedIn. So those other areas where the consumer may not be a business professional, may not be someone who's actively using LinkedIn, then maybe I wouldn't spend a lot of time on LinkedIn trying to appeal or to be discovered by those consumers. But again, look at your space in your business consumer environment, and if you're selling high-end items, then LinkedIn could very well be a very useful place to be in a business consumer environment. Again, if you're selling highly retail socks and underwear and t-shirts, et cetera, then LinkedIn may not be the most important place to be on social media to attract the attention of your business to consumer. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope these ideas are useful for you.